Assessment. Before starting any work, thoroughly inspect the subwoofer to determine the extent of damage or wear. Look for any physical damage, torn speaker cones, damaged cables, or any other visible issues. Clean the subwoofer. Dust and dirt can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of the subwoofer. Use a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to carefully clean the speaker cone, grill, and other components. Test the subwoofer. Connect the subwoofer to a power source and audio input to see if it still functions. If there's no sound or if it sounds distorted, it may indicate issues with the internal components. Check cables and connections. Inspect the cables and connections for any damage or corrosion. Replace any damaged cables and ensure all connections are secure. Replace damaged components. If the subwoofer has any damaged components, such as a torn speaker cone or a blown amplifier, consider replacing them. You can find replacement parts online or at electronic stores. Be sure to match the specifications of the original components. Amplifier repair or replacement. If the amplifier is not functioning properly, you may need to repair or replace it. Check for common issues such as blown capacitors, loose connections, or overheating. If repair is not feasible, consider replacing the amplifier module with a compatible one. Refoam or requin the speaker. If the speaker surround, foam or rubber edge is damaged or deteriorated, you can refoam or requin the speaker. Refoaming involves replacing the foam surround, while reconning involves replacing the entire speaker cone assembly. Kits for refoaming or reconning are available for purchase online. Seal enclosure leaks. If the subwoofer enclosure has any leaks or cracks, seal them using silicone sealant or adhesive. This will prevent air leaks and improve the overall performance of the subwoofer. Calibration. Once all repairs and replacements are completed, calibrate the subwoofer to ensure optimal performance. Use a sound meter and test tones to adjust the volume, crossover frequency, and phase settings for integration with your audio system. Enjoy! Once the refurbishment is complete and the subwoofer is working properly, sit back and enjoy the enhanced audio experience in your home theater or audio setup.
हितगन्ना विमसल्ले करना दुख मागी